So Fede, Umdletshe, umsindazwe athi, even before Christianity, we as Africans had different belief systems. Yabo besikholelwa entweni ezingafani. So us believing in different things, is that self-rejection? Yangithola? And the answer is no. Yangithola? Obviously, that's what I've been saying very good. The minute you have to reject your God and accept a different God, that is self-rejection. uNkulunkulu bekahlezi asiveza ngendlela ezingafani kubantu abangafani. Yangithola? Even ku-Christianity, uNkulunkulu makaziveza kuMoses, he is a burning tree, isihlahla esivuthayo, yabo. Makaziveza kuMeshach, uAbednego noShadrach, uziveza emlilweni in a furnace where kunabantu abayi-3 avele yena as owes-4, yabo. Makaziveza kuDavid, makaziveza ku-Abraham, uhlezi aziveza ngendlela ezingafani vele, yabo. Even outside of Christianity, in the Quran, they believe ukuthi uGod is the praying mantis, yabo. And abanye they believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu umvelinqanga, abanye they believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uQamatha, abanye they believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu uSikwembu, yabo. And bonke labo ba-right. uNkulunkulu vele uSikwembu, uNkulunkulu vele uQamatha, uNkulunkulu vele umvelinqanga, uNkulunkulu vele is the praying mantis vele. Yangithola? uNkulunkulu to his people uziveza ngendlela ezingafani because nathi singabantu abangafani. uNkulunkulu, if we are all created ngendlela kaNkulunkulu vele, kusho ukuthi uyazi ukuthi lo muntu lo ukhuluma isiSuthu, lo muntu lo uyazi ukhuluma isiZulu, lo muntu lo uyazi ukhuluma isiTsonga. So angeke asiveze kuwe as umuntu okhuluma isiTsonga afike kuwe akhuluma i-English, yabo. uNkulunkulu uyazi ukuthi asifani, so vele uzosiveza kithi ngendlela ezingafani, yabo. But the minute mina ngithi reject uSikwembu and accept umvelinqanga, reject uQamatha and accept uRamasedi, reject uRamasedi and accept uJehova, that is self-rejection, yabo. But if uNkulunkulu uziveze kuwe as the praying mantis, then uNkulunkulu to you is a mantis. uNkulunkulu has the ability ukuthi angaziveza as isilwane, angaziveza izintethe, angaziveza as inja, angaziveza izikati, angaziveza izinyoka, angaziveza as isihlahla njengoba ikhombisile in the Bible mekahlangana noMoses ukuthi angaziveza as isihlahla, angaziveza as imvula, angaziveza as amanzi, angaziveza as anything. He is God, bafethu, yabo. So there's no one way ukuthi if uNkulunkulu akazivezanga kuwe as isihlahla esivuthayo, therefore that's not God. That's what I'm against. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu, it doesn't have to be the Christian God. uNkulunkulu can be any God. uNkulunkulu wakho can be uRamasedi njengoba ngisho, can be uQamatha, can be umvelinqanga. You don't have to reject uNkulunkulu wakho to accept a foreign God. Yangithola? Rejecting uNkulunkulu wakho, it's self-rejection. Yangithola?